This is going to be a quick clip set only to music. And yes, I will pick a different song than what I use in the video opening. But in this clip, we're going to fly down the main aisle of the 2025 Nanjing Show just to give you an uninterrupted view of the show, the booths, and the traffic. And before you go jumping to conclusions, absolutely no drones were used to capture this footage. Enjoy!